How to fix 4K blurry on PlayStation 4. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide, and in today's guide video I will show you how you can fix if your PlayStation is actually quite blurry. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, if your PlayStation is actually a little bit blurry compared to what you actually have been noticing before, the very first thing you could try to do is to simply change your HDMI cable. Or if it is not the issue with your HDMI cable, I would also recommend you to simply switch to a new HDMI port on your TV and your PlayStation 4. Simply switch back to a new HDMI port and then see if your issue gets fixed or not. If not, there are other things that we can also do within our PlayStation itself, that is to simply play with the display and RGB colors. And in order to do that, first of all, we will simply go to settings. Once we go to settings on our PlayStation, you can see we have a bunch of different options over here. You also have sound and screen, so we will go to sound and screen, and you can see over here it says video output settings. We could go over here and you basically have resolution. For example, if your TV supports up to 4K and you're actually playing it in just a fairly lower 1080p resolution, then that could also be why you've been facing some kind of blurry issues. Just try to set it to the maximum level. If your TV supports 1080p, do not set it to 480p. As you could see, it could basically lower the resolution of your PlayStation, and just that could be the issue with your TV or your settings as well. So there is nothing to freak out about it. Other thing you could also do is to tune on HDR. Now you could go ahead and then tune on automatic HDR right over here if your TV supports it, and of course the RGB range, which you also have automatic, and that is also recommended. You have video output information, you have deep color output. You could set this to automatic as well, or you could simply tune that off if you wanted to, just like that. I'll just go ahead and show you right like that. I'll simply tune it off, and hopefully one of these would have fixed the issue. And if it did fix the issue, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.